What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. So I'm super excited about this video because it is a try-on haul and it's not a sponsored video, but I have a pile of clothes here and some jewelry that I've been wanting to share with you guys. So let's just get into it. Also, everything that I show you guys in the video is going to be down in the description box. I'm going to put all the links and everything. Some things might be sold out. I'm not sure, but I will put the link for you guys to check out anyways. But yeah, let's just get into the video. So this first company is called Ana Luisa, and it's a New York-based company, and they actually gifted me 4 items to show you guys. So I'm going to show you guys first a necklace. It's called Virgin Mary necklace. And it's a little pendant, and if you can see up close, it is the Virgin Mary. And what I like about this necklace is that it's a pretty short chain. So if you can see, this is how long the chain is. So I like it because you can easily stack this necklace with a different necklace that's a little bit longer. It's kind of like in the middle of a choker and a regular necklace, but I am in love with this one. And then the next piece from Ana Luisa Jewelry are these super cute earrings. These are called the Venus earrings, and they're just little gold hoops that I'm in love with. They're so cute. I have some gold hoops, but they're like bigger, so I needed some little dainty ones, and I think these are so pretty. Also, why are my ears super red? But yeah, something I love about this company is that they focus on sustainability. So that means that they are very environmentally friendly, and they really focus on trying to reduce their carbon footprint. And this company uses 100% recycled gold, so that allows them to keep their prices low without compromising the quality of their pieces. So that meaning that they're gonna be super high quality pieces, but at a really reasonable price. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you another pair of earrings and necklace that they sent me. So before I put this next necklace on, I just want to tell you guys that it's like, you can feel the quality because it's not light. You know how some necklaces, it's like, it feels like they're kind of hollow, like there's no weight to them. This, there's some weight to this necklace. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on for you. Okay, so this next necklace is called, oh, this strand of hair, is called Angel Wing Necklace, and this is what it looks like. It has such a pretty detail, and it's, like I said, it's a quality pendant because it's not, it has some weight to it. And this necklace is a little bit longer than the other one I had on, but still, I love. Now, when I was choosing the pieces that I wanted to review, I saw these, I'm not gonna show you, I saw these earrings and I was just like, oh my goodness, these are so cute. So I'm so glad that they had them in stock because they are adorable. Okay, so these little earrings are called the Boa Snake Earrings. And can we just look and see how cute these little boa earrings are? They're so cute, and they're such a pretty gold color. It's not like the tacky yellow gold color, it's like a very pretty gold color, you know? But I am in love with these earrings. Oh my god, my ears are so red. These are so cute. And like I said, I'm gonna have everything down in the description box for you to check out, but I am in love with these pieces. So their pieces range from $39 all the way up to higher end pieces, so there's pretty much something for everyone. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys to check this company out. They are such good quality. Like, I'm in love. I'm in love. Okay, next we're gonna move into clothing. So a few months ago I went online shopping and I bought a little load of clothes from Boohoo. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. So this first thing that I got is this green, this mint, maybe mint, lime green. It's like a pastel green color shirt, and it's super cute. I just have it paired with these black biker shorts. But yeah, I'm super into oversized t-shirts. It has a graphic in the back. I didn't really care what it said, but I just thought the shirt was cute. So this is what the back looks like. Also, I accidentally added 2 of these to my cart. So I have an extra one that I actually want to do a giveaway for. So one of you guys can win this shirt free of charge. All you gotta do is make sure you're subscribed to me, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment down below saying one thing that you are grateful for, and that's it. So those 3 things, super simple, and you can win this shirt. Oh, also this is a size medium. I'm gonna have all my sizing down below. Okay, so this next piece I have is this oversized, super comfy sweatshirt. I know it's gonna be spring, almost summer, but I always wear sweatshirts no matter what time of the year it is. But it's just such a pretty color. It's like a stone color, and it has this deep red Colorado eagle design on it. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. The inside is so comfy. You know that material that's just like super, super soft? Yeah, so that's that. But I will always wear oversized sweatshirts. I love being comfy. But I am in love with this sweatshirt. I'm so glad I'm doing this haul now because I can finally wear these pieces. And yeah, super cute. I love this sweatshirt. And Boohoo is always having 50 to 60% off their clothes. So they're so affordable. So I love Boohoo for that. They're always having sales. And yeah, so I'm just gonna throw on the next piece. Okay, so if I'm not wearing an oversized sweatshirt, I'm wearing dad shirts, big oversized t-shirts. This one isn't as oversized because I did wash and dry it already because I've worn it. But this is the next piece. It's just a regular, again, super comfy material. Cali, what does it say? Cali, Los Angeles graphic tee. I loved the blue tealish color, so that's why I chose this one. Also, I'm from Cali. But yeah, so this is just a regular gray t-shirt. Perfect to wear around the house, perfect to go somewhere. We can't go anywhere because we're just quarantined. But yeah, just a super comfy basic t-shirt. It's not scratchy at all. It's a super soft material. I love the graphic in the back. I love that color. But yeah, super cute. Okay, so for this next piece, it is a oversized plaid button-up shirt. So it goes pretty low like that. But this would be so cute just paired with black biker shorts like I'm doing right now. You can tie it around your waist. You can honestly button it up if you wanted to, but I wouldn't wear it buttoned up. I love the oversized shirts. This is just me, you know? I got this in a US 6. Also, I want to point out, when I got this, I was like, wait a second, this looks a lot like something I have. And look it's the same exact print. This is from Pretty Little Thing. It's the same exact print. Different company, but probably comes from the same factory anyways. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I love this. Again, super cute to just throw on over jeans, over shorts, over crop top, whatever. But love this style. Super cute. Let's see what it looks like tied around the waist. Okay, so this is what it looks like tied around the waist. Looks super cute like this too, honestly. Yeah, it's just a cute little plaid shirt, oversized shirt you can throw on over anything. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the next piece. Okay, so you're probably gonna say, why did you get another sweater? Like I said, I love jackets and sweaters all year round. So it's a black fleece. This, I believe, is in the Boohoo Petite section, which I didn't really care. Like, I'm 5'3", so I'm not tall at all, so it works for me. But anyways, it's a zip up. It's like a half zip, so it goes from here to here. And it's a fleece material. It's kind of a long fleece, so it goes down to here if it's bunched up, you know? You can put it around your hips, wear with biker shorts like I'm doing. Or if you want to pull it down, it honestly could be a sweater dress because it does go all the way down past my butt. So this is super cute. I love this one. I'm already getting really hot in it, and I had it on for 2 minutes, so it'll definitely keep you warm in the winter if you wanted to wear it during the winter. But it is super cute, super comfy. It has California, an American flag, in 1994, I think. It's backwards in the camera, I can't see. It doesn't have pockets. I wish it did have pockets because I'm just like naturally gravitating to like putting my hands right here. They don't have pockets. It's just straight like that, so still super cute, super comfy. Love this one too. So next I have this oversized sweatshirt, half zip again. It's just, I love this half zip and this like mock neck kind of thing. But yeah, super cute. It's oversized, but it's not long. It like stops right here. I kind of want to wash and dry it just so it'll fit a little better. This is a size small. So the other sizes, medium and large, would be way too big for me. But when I wash and dry it, it'll shrink. So I think it'll fit a little better. Plus the sleeves are like really long. It is a small, but that's okay. It's super cute, super basic. I love it because I live in biker shorts. Like I wear these all the time. So anything that goes with biker shorts, I love to wear. So yeah. So this is really cute. I love this sage color. It's like the perfect green neutral color. Yeah, I just love it. Okay, so I love that sweatshirt so much that I got it in a different color, another neutral color. If you couldn't tell, I like basics and comfy things, so that's kind of my style. But same thing, it's a small. I think it'll go good with everything. Again, it's a half zip mock neck type of thing. It's like I don't know, you can argue the color. When I ordered it, I thought it was like a chocolate brown. It does look like a chocolate brown on camera. I think the color on the website says it's like a washed black. So you can really just call it whatever color you want, whatever you see, you know? Also, I feel like I'm going through these clothes super quick, but I hate watching videos when they're wearing the clothes for like 3 minutes straight and I already saw the clothes on, you know? Like, we just want to see the clothes on and then that's it. So I mean, we all skip to the try on and then just, you know, go through the video like that, don't we all? So if it seems like I'm going quick, that's why, because you see it on and I feel like that's enough. Okay, so next piece. Okay, so this next piece is a Polkadot bodysuit. So it does clasp all the way down here. As you can see, the mesh stops right here, so you need to wear super high-waisted pants, skirt, shorts, something to cover up this this material down here. So I'm like pulling up my jeans so I can cover it, but you want to wear something super high to cover that part. But yeah, you can see my bra because I'm not going to wear this without a bra because mom boobs, so just ignore my black strap. This is really cute. Like, I saw it on a girl, another YouTuber, and I was like, you convinced me to buy it. But yeah, I love this top. It looks super cute. The sleeves are see-through, as you can see, and then this part has the double lining, and there is like, okay, I'm gonna show you. So there's like this part, the boob part does have like padding, but it's like super cheap padding, if you know what I mean. So even if I didn't wear a bra, like, it would not be supported at all. I do need that support. So another thing I don't like about this is that it just, like, I don't know, I need to find the right bra for this because it's just, I don't know, I can't just live freely in it without my bra strap showing. It does match, like, it's black right here, so it does match anyways. Whatever, maybe I'm just thinking too much. But this is what the back looks like. It is really cute if you have the right bottoms. This I got in a US 6 also. Pretty much everything I got is a size 6, but I'll have all my sizing down below. And the sleeves go perfectly to my wrist, so it does fit really good. It's just the top, you know, not covering my bra right. I do wish the polka dot mesh design did go lower just so I could wear regular jeans or something with it. It stops pretty high, so that's the only really big issue that I have with it. But overall, it is super cute. Okay guys, so this next top is so cute. And guess where I got it? Walmart. Isn't it cute? Like, the pattern is so pretty. I love this shirt. Love it. I think it was like $12.95 or something like that. $13. It's a little button up. It has a little tie right here. I'm wearing it with some black, kind of high-waisted mom baggy jeans. But I love this shirt. It's like a chiffon type of material. Super light, super airy. It's just super comfortable. And I just love the pattern. Like, I have another cheetah print shirt pretty much exactly like this. Let me show you. So it's right here. I got this from H&M, but this is the two compared to each other. I just love this one way better. It's from Walmart. But yeah, so I love the pattern, love the color. It's just super pretty. You can really find some gems at Walmart if you look, because look how cute. This one is a size small and it fits perfectly. So the next two shirts I got from Walmart are the same exact style of shirt but different prints, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys those. Okay, so this is the next shirt. Same style of shirt, different print. It's like an off-white color with some blue flowers on it. I love this. I paired it with some high-waist blue jeans so it can match the flowers. But I think it is so cute. It's just super comfortable. Super cute, super comfortable, super flowy. Perfect for spring. Love. Love this. And also the collar has some structure to it, so it's not gonna, I feel like, oh, excuse me. I feel like when you wash and dry it, the collar will kind of stay the same shape. You know how sometimes you wash and dry something and the collar's like all bunched up really badly? This one I feel like is going to stay in place, but we'll have to see. So it has little button detailing on the sleeve. I love this shirt. I'm gonna show you guys the last print. All right, you guys, so this is the last piece I have to show you guys. Yes? Okay, just keep it out there. I'm almost done, okay? Okay, just leave it there. Okay. Okay, love you. All right, so this is the last piece I have to show you guys. Same style shirt. It is a kind of like a rust orange color. It is so pretty. I love this shirt so much that I had to get it in an extra small because they were out of smalls, but I was like, I grabbed the shirt. It was an extra small, knowing it was an extra small. Grabbed the shirt. I was like, should I get it? It's kind of tight on me. So I put it back. I was like, nah, I don't need it. Went back and got it again because I was like, it's too pretty to pass up. So this is a size smaller than the other ones. The other ones were smalls. This is an extra small. But I knew I was gonna work out and stuff, so I was like, I will fit in that shirt. So it does fit. It's a little tighter, but I love it. It looks super cute with the blue wash jeans. Love, love, super comfortable. Oh my gosh, don't look, don't look, don't look. He probably saw me, how embarrassing. So this is the pattern, close up. It's another floral pattern. I just love it. I love it. Yeah, I got all three and I was like, it's a steal because they're super cute shirts. I get to breathe now. All right, you guys, so that's the end of my haul. Don't forget, if you want to win the green shirt, all you have to do is subscribe, follow me on my Instagram, and leave a comment down below of what you're thankful for, and that's it. So, okay, real quick, I just want to show you guys what the necklaces look like stacked together. So this is what they look like. Super cute. This one, like I said, is a shorter chain, and this one's a longer one, so they are perfect stacked together. So I just had that random thought to put them together and to show you guys. I will have all the links of everything down below, so don't forget to check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.